Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing Minecraft Dream Build It, the mobile version of one of the most iconic games of all time. Whether you're a long-time fan or just getting into it, this version offers a full Minecraft experience right from your phone. Once you launch the game, you're dropped into a familiar blocky world. Your creativity has no limits. You can choose between creative mode, where you have unlimited resources to build anything you can imagine, or survival mode, where you gather resources, craft tools, and defend yourself from hostile mobs. What really makes this mobile version impressive is that it says true to the original gameplay. You can explore vast, randomly generated worlds, mine deep for rare ones, and build everything from tiny houses to massive cities, all from your touchscreen. The controls take a bit of getting used to, but once you're familiar, it's smooth sailing. Performance-wise, it runs very well on most modern devices. Whether you're playing on Android or iOS, the game loads quickly, runs smoothly, and doesn't drain your battery too fast. Plus, it supports cross-platform multiplayer, which means you can play with friends on consoles or PC using realms or servers. There's also a huge marketplace inside the app, where you can purchase custom skins, texture packs, and even full adventure maps. While this adds a lot of creative content, some players might find the price a bit high for in-game items. Overall, Minecraft Dream Build It is an awesome mobile experience. It's not just a light version, it's a full Minecraft package in your pocket. Whether you're building, exploring, or surviving, it offers endless fun for all kinds of players. If you're looking for a mobile game with depth, creativity, and constant updates, Minecraft is still one of the best in 2025. If you enjoyed this review, please be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you've built in your Minecraft world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.